So in this video we are going to learn how to use Photoshop to create this Adidas logo that you can see here. Although this is like a vector image, we're going to be saving this away as a raster image so we can compare it to vector images later. So to begin with, we are just going to go File and New, and the size of the image isn't really that important as long as it's big enough. So I'm going to go with these last settings. We've got our blank page now, and we need to make sure that we can see the layers, and we're at this point just got a background layer. We're going to start by creating a new layer. So we're going to go to the top, new layer, and we're just going to use the default settings that the layer gives us, and you can see that's appeared in the layers panel. Now we're going to use the rectangular marquee tool to draw on that layer, and we're going to make sure that we've got black selected as the color for this logo in there. And we're going to go over to the paint bucket tool, making sure it is the paint bucket rather than the gradient, and we've now filled that one. And we're going to use the select tool to go to the corners, and we are going to free rotate the image to the side. At this point we are going to duplicate that layer. We're going to make the other two stripes just simply by duplicating the layers and going with the default settings. By default it will put the layer directly on top of the other one, so you need to then move this to the side, and then we'll repeat the process again and duplicate the layer once more. Okay, at this point we are going to use the shift key and click on all of the layers to select them all, and we're going to right click and we're going to merge the layers so we now have one shape rather than the three. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to try and remove the bottom, so we're going to use that rectangular marquee tool again. Notice we're on the top layer with the shape, and we're going to draw around that, press the delete key, and that will remove the bottom area of the image. Finally, we're going to go to the text tool, and we're going to go on there and we're going to type in Adidas. In this case my text is set to white, so I'm just going to highlight it, go up to the top there and change the color to black so we can see it, and then just use the select tool to move the text onto where we would like it on the screen. Finally, we're going to save this away. By default, Photoshop saves as a PSD file. We want to save it away as a bitmap or raster image, something like PNG or JPEG in this case. Give the file a sensible name, note where it is that you're saving it, in which folder, and we can just go with the default options for that, and we are done.